Oh, that's not gonna work. Under you. Oh, will the remote work? Kinda. That works. What's up, you guys? It's Cal. Welcome back. So today, as you can see, we're just kind of chilling on the couch. I took a shower this morning. If you could tell, my hair is all wet. Not all wet because it's been like 30 minutes and it's like kind of air drying. I typically do just let my hair air dry. I'm wearing super festive fall pajama pants. If you watched me last year, you probably saw these. So today is September 10th. It is my sister's 23rd birthday. I'm very excited. I'm seeing her around noon. It's currently, her and my mom are coming over at noon, and then we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna do some fun activities. And then tonight we're going back to their house to like do a whole little dinner. So I'm very excited about that. But before they come over, as you can see, I have like a lot of cleaning up to do. And this is, the kitchen is actually for once like clean. Like it's pretty much clean. I just have a couple things to put away, but like it's pretty much clean. The bedroom needs a lot of work. The living room needs some tidying up. So for this video, I thought it would be kind of like, I think it's gonna be like more of a full weekend video. Game plan for right now, we're gonna clean up, do like a base clean of all my rooms, and then we're going to take Cali for a nice long walk. So clean up, walk, get ready, like do my makeup, do my hair. I mean, I'll probably just put my hair up in a claw clip. And then go out with my mom and my sister. And then we'll regroup tomorrow and kind of like get more stuff done. Can you say hi? Say hi to camera. Say hi. Say hi. Are you perfect? Can you show me a little underbite? Look how cute that is. She's like, what the heck are you doing? Can you please leave me alone? You best baby ever. So while I finish cleaning up the living room, I want to share the quote of the video. This one, it's honestly, I hold so close to my heart because for a long time I struggled with this. And while I'm definitely not 100% there, I keep reminding myself of this concept, and this quote honestly helps a lot too. And it really kind of focuses my mind and helps me stay present and really be happy. So the quote is, "True happiness comes when you let go of what you thought your life was supposed to be and embrace where you are now." Especially with social media today, it's really easy to look at everybody else's lives around you and compare where you're at to where they're at. And maybe you feel like based on my age, I should be at this point in my life, or I should be doing that, or I should have already gotten these things done. And that is such a toxic mindset because it immediately makes you forget about all that you do have and all that you have accomplished and all that you should be really grateful for in your life. I can't stress this enough. We are all on different timelines. We all have our own life calendar, our own life schedule, and you really don't need to compare it to anybody else, because I guarantee you the person you're comparing your life to is probably comparing their life to somebody else. Who knows? Maybe even you. You really never know. And that's not to say if you know you have a big goal for yourself and you really want to achieve it, like all the power to you. You should be working towards that goal, putting your time and effort into it. But what's really important is also appreciating where you are now, and make sure that if you're focused on a goal, it's for you and for nobody else, and not because you think that this person has it or this group of people have it and so you want it. It's got to be for you, the inners of you. I don't that doesn't make any sense. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is, like the quote, true happiness comes when you forget about all of what you thought you should have had by now and really just appreciate exactly where you are, exactly what you have, and focus on that. Okay, we just finished cleaning the kitchen. Obviously, you just saw. I don't know why I felt the need to say that. And I am honestly getting kind of hungry, so I think I want to have my leftovers from yesterday. You even see me, sorry. I have like 1.5 fish tacos left, and I didn't eat my pumpkin cheesecake yet. It happens every time I go to Cheesecake Factory. I can never eat the cheesecake there because I get so full on the bread. And then we got the, oh my gosh, the avocado like spring rolls. I don't know if that's that incredible appetizer, highly recommend. And then I got the fish tacos for my meal. And oh gosh, and I got a mojito. So after all of that, I was like, I can't eat cheesecake right now. But like, why do you don't go to Cheesecake Factory, you're not get cheesecake. So I got pumpkin cheesecake, and I think I'm gonna have some of it right now, along with my leftover. I had not finished. Looks very yummy though. I talked about in a recent video how I did start eating fish again, so technically now I'm a pescatarian. I've been a vegetarian since I was like 12. However, my first choice was not going to be the fish tacos. It was going to be the cauliflower, like fish tacos, but the fish is the cauliflower. Those are incredible, but they didn't have it on the menu. I was so disappointed. That happened like a couple of years ago. I got the cauliflower steak from Cheesecake Factory. Incredible. Incredible. And then the next time I go back and I order it and they're like, oh, I'm sorry, we don't have it anymore. And I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. And then it happened with my cauliflower fish tacos. I guess they don't like, I don't know. I don't really like their cauliflower Cheesecake Factory. That's okay. I'm actually not going to get it. I was going to get a plate, but that's kind of pointless. I just need a fork for my cheesecake. The little napkin action. All right, let's go eat. I didn't get my water. Do you want to go for a walk outside? Do you want to go for a long walk? Do you want to go for a long walk? Yeah, you want to go for a long walk outside? Can you tell how sweaty? Let me turn. Actually, I was gonna turn the AC off. I hope it's not that loud. I'm just too hot right now. I need it. You can see. Oh my gosh, I'm like a sweaty mess. It was hot. It's like 78 degrees out, so I didn't think it was gonna be that hot. But that was like a 40-minute walk, so I think we kind of like worked up a sweat. Callie's over there panting. Hi, baby. There's water for you right there. She doesn't want to. Can you see her pointing? She doesn't want to go to it. She typically does that. She'll like rest for like 5-10 minutes when we get back, and then she'll hop off and like go get the water. I'm gonna like kind of cool down, drink some water, and then we're gonna clean up the bedroom. Whoops, I shouldn't have left that running while we were gone. That's okay though. How pretty is this? I go on YouTube, I just search up fall ambiance, and then like I pick one. Really like it. I'll have this specific one linked in the description because I love, it's like one of my favorites. Okay, I'm about to head out to meet my mom and sister for lunch. I wanted to do a quick little outfit of the day. I really wanted to be like fall themed, my outfit today, but it's like 80 degrees out, so this is what we're working with. Shorts are from H&M. Top and shoes are from TJ Maxx. My purse is from Amazon. How beautiful is this? I recently got it and I'm obsessed. I'll have it linked on my Amazon storefront. Oh, claw clip is from Amazon, also linked on my storefront. And earrings and necklace are both from Ana Luisa. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling because I gotta go. Morning. Two things. One, how freaking adorable is this one like or onesie, this like two-piece pajama set? I got it yesterday from TJ Maxx. I feel like it's gonna be perfect for Christmas time. Like this screams Christmas to me, but I just wanted to wear it today. It's from it's the brand 9 West, but it's from TJ Maxx. Two, yes, we cleaned the kitchen yesterday, and yes, we're gonna start our day off with cleaning it again because as you can see, it got messy again. Also, if you're wondering what that licking is, if you can hear it, say hi, Jenna. Yesterday, oh, this is annoying me. Close that. Yesterday, Tim and I took Tim's mom's dogs for the night. Like she had to go somewhere, so we were taking care of them. There's 3. If you're new, you may not have met them, so I'll introduce you. This is Jenna. Say hi, Dewey. That's Dewey. He has to wear a diaper because he's having some bladder issues, and I think he just looks so darn adorable. And then here comes Tucker. Say hi, Tucker. Oh, you do big stretch. This is Tucker. Hi. And then there's the baby on the couch. She's like, this is my couch. Anyways, right now I am going to clean up the kitchen because it is really stressing me out. It's not that messy. Like, I don't even think, is this? I think this is clean. No, this isn't even clean. There's like no dirty dishes in there. So just put a few more dirty dishes in there, clean up the counters, and then we're gonna have some breakfast.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm
Time for breakfast.
love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like.
So as you all saw, now we're on Sunday. It's actually Sunday evening when I'm recording this voiceover. Fun fact, earlier today was when I was doing this laundry. Yesterday I got lunch with my mom and sister. My sister Annie and I went shopping, and then we all went over to their house. Tim came over and we all had a nice dinner, a birthday celebration. It was a really nice evening. But as you also saw, we had never gotten around to actually cleaning the bedroom yesterday. So I'm taking care of that today and kind of putting away laundry. As you can see, I had a ton of laundry to do, and then we're going to be filming some TikToks in a little bit. So I'm very excited for that.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your bed.
And if you watch until this part, I have a really important question to ask. I would love to know, what are some of your favorite and least favorite parts of my videos? You know, I always want to improve and make sure that I'm creating videos that you guys really enjoy and you love. And so I promise I'm a big fan of constructive criticism. So if there's anything that you're like, I feel like you could do this a little better, or this would make the video more engaging, let me know, whether it's with an intro or music or voiceover or style or shots. I don't know, anything that you may think of, or maybe you want more of something, like maybe, you know, I wish that you would do more of this. I would love to know that. So let me know in the comments. Now, another thing I knew I wanted to get done today was film a TikTok. I filmed 4 easy and inexpensive ways to decorate for fall. It is live on my TikTok already. And as you can see here, I'm wrapping a present. Tim's mom's birthday is actually the same exact day as Annie's, so we didn't get to see her on her actual birthday, but we are going to be seeing her shortly. So I was wrapping up the part of her present was we got her a slow cooker, so that's me wrapping it all up here. I'm so excited to give them to her. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch any more of my Clean With Me vlogs, I'll have the playlist linked on the screen here. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.